Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to install apps on the Samsung Galaxy Watch. Here I have a Samsung Galaxy Watch and I'm going to show you how to install apps on this device. Wake the screen by pressing the button. First, you need to connect your watch to Wi-Fi. Swipe to the settings page. Go to Settings, then Connections, and select Wi-Fi. Connect to your network and enter the password. After connecting, you also need to check your Google account. Open Settings and scroll down to Accounts and Backup. Here you can add your Google account if you haven't already. Now open the Play Store from the app menu. You can browse categories or search for specific apps. For example, let's search for a calculator app. Select the app and wait for it to install. Once installed, you can open the app from the app menu. That's how you install apps on this device. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and follow for more.